This specialised import wholesale business provides essential products to a wide variety of industries, including fuel, chemical, gas, water, packaging and many more. With consistent sales at just under 5 million per annum and a gross profit of around 35%, there is scope for the business to do more in the marketplace with a fresh outlook and direction. The vendor is looking for someone who can take the business on and assist the enthusiastic and dedicated team to greater things. The strength of the business is in the brands, quality systems, people and the level of customer service that they provide. They have a wide customer base that has been built up for over 40 years, and with a cash surplus of $400,000 in the last financial year, there is a great foundation to work with. There is a lot of expertise within the business and someone who has relationships in some key commercial industries or a strong sales background would be advantageous. The great thing for a new owner is that the relationships are with the team and not the departing owner. The vendor is happy to look at staying on part-time for a period as he settles into retirement. Call me, Daren Leng, today for a confidential discussion about this great opportunity.